Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to stop shoes from squeaking. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. I'll be going over 3 things that can cause your shoes to squeak, and I'll be telling you how to solve each of those 3 things to hopefully stop your shoes from squeaking. Yes, before you comment, this is my current shoe that I'm wearing. It's got a big hole over here. I can put my finger inside of the hole. I just don't care about these things, to be honest with you, that much. I'll walk around wearing this shoe literally until my toes are just completely poking out, okay? Until the shoe is completely opening up, and then I'll switch to another pair of shoes. But just so you know, you're like, why does this guy have holes in his shoes? That's just how I roll, baby. I just don't care, to be honest with you. But anyways, back to the instructions. So the first thing that can cause your shoe to potentially squeak is moisture. If your shoe or shoes, if one of your shoes or both of your shoes or many of your shoes, whatever your situation is, maybe you have 5 shoes that are squeaking, whatever the case is, if your shoe is wet and moist, okay, it can cause it to squeak. So what is the solution? The solution is to dry it, okay? If the moisture or the wetness is causing the shoe to squeak, then by drying it, you're going to eliminate that problem and you're going to give yourself a solution. The squeaking should stop. Now, shoes will generally just dry themselves. So if your shoe is squeaking and like you have time, just let it dry itself. If not, you can use a hair dryer to sort of, dry it as a faster method. But generally speaking, just let it dry by itself. And if you need it dry faster, then use a hair dryer to just, accelerate the drying process. But that's the first thing, okay? If moisture or wetness is causing it to squeak, let it dry one way or another, okay? And it should stop the squeaking, hopefully. The second thing is if friction or rubbing is causing it to squeak. Sometimes friction or rubbing is causing the shoe to squeak, and usually it is the insole on the inside here rubbing against the bottom of the shoe. So what you can do is you can actually get the insole and you can, take the insole out and you can put some baby powder underneath it. So the baby powder will sit between the insole and the bottom of the shoe, and that will prevent that rubbing or that friction and therefore solve the squeaking sound. Now, for some insoles, you can't remove them. They're just sort of glued in place. So if that's the case, you can get some baby powder. You can just put it around the edges of the insole. So just get baby powder and put it around the edges of the insole, and the baby powder should work its way down as much as it can. And that should hopefully stop the squeaking sound or just help it out, okay? So if it's squeaking because of rubbing or friction, get some baby powder either along the edges of the insole or underneath the insole, between the insole and the bottom of the shoe, and that should hopefully solve the squeaking in that sense, okay? And last but not least is number 3. The third reason why your shoe might squeak is because of the leather. Some leather shoes make a squeaking sound because that's just the sound that leather makes sometimes when things rub against it and stuff like that, and for various reasons. What you can do is you can condition the leather, and that should hopefully help the squeaking or bring it to a stop. Sometimes the squeaking on leather will just stop over time because maybe the shoes are brand new, so they just need to be worked in. That's also another solution. But if you are going to use conditioner on the leather, make sure you see how the leather is going to react to that conditioner, because you're going to put conditioner on the leather shoe, the leather part of the shoe, and maybe the leather is going to react and you're not going to like the way that it looks. So test it in a in a small spot that you can't notice, that you can't see, and see how the leather reacts to the conditioner or whatever product you're putting on it first, in that small spot that's like almost hidden. And then if you're okay with how it reacts, then you can try it out on the rest of the shoe. As simple as that, then you can hopefully get rid of that leather squeaking sound. And that's it. Those are the 3 problems that, generally speaking, might cause shoes to make the squeaking sound, and how to solve each of those 3 problems. So figure out which one it is and then try and solve it, and it's as simple as that. And that's all. I have nothing else to say, so I really hope that you enjoyed this and you get your shoes to stop squeaking. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.